Before stepping onto your next flight, most people think they have everything under control. The ticket is booked, the passport is ready, and the bags are packed. But what if some of the most important things about flying are the ones never clearly told? In this video, you'll uncover powerful flight secrets you should know. Before your next trip that can completely change how you travel, save money, reduce stress, and even make your journey more comfortable without spending extra. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more eye-opening travel insights that most people miss. Number 10. Seat selection tricks. Not all seats on a plane are created equal, even if they look identical when booking. Airlines often reserve the best seats for frequent flyers or last-minute upgrades. However, there is a hidden timing advantage. Checking in exactly when online check-in opens, usually 24 hours before departure, can unlock better seat options that were previously blocked. Window seats near the wing offer less turbulence, while seats closer to the front allow faster boarding and exit. Another secret many travelers overlook is that some seats appear undesirable on the map, but are actually more comfortable due to extra legroom or missing seats in front. Knowing how to read a seat map carefully can make a big difference in long flights. Number 9. The real best time to book flights. Many travelers believe booking months in advance always guarantees the cheapest price. That is not entirely true. Airline pricing is controlled by complex algorithms that constantly adjust based on demand. The sweet spot for booking domestic flights is often 1 to 3 months before departure, while international flights tend to be cheaper around 2 to 6 months in advance. Midweek bookings, especially on Tuesdays or Wednesdays, sometimes reveal lower prices due to fare adjustments. Another overlooked trick is searching in incognito mode. While not always proven, it can help avoid price increases tied to repeated searches. Flexibility with dates and times remains one of the strongest tools to save money. Number 8. Why flights are often delayed without explanation. Flight delays can feel random, but there are often hidden reasons airlines do not fully explain. One major factor is aircraft rotation. A single plane operates multiple flights throughout the day, so a delay in one city can ripple across several routes. Weather in a completely different location can also affect your flight, even if the departure airport looks clear. Air traffic congestion, crew scheduling limits, and maintenance checks also play a role. Airlines may provide vague explanations to avoid overwhelming passengers with technical details. Understanding this helps manage expectations and plan better, especially for connecting flights. Number 7. The truth about airline food. Airplane food has a reputation, but the real reason behind its taste is not just quality. At high altitudes, human taste buds become less sensitive, especially to salt and sweetness. This is why meals often seem bland or different compared to ground-level food. Airlines actually design meals specifically for the air environment, increasing seasoning levels to compensate for reduced taste sensitivity. However, not all meals are equal. Special meals, such as vegetarian or low-sodium options, are often prepared earlier and can sometimes be fresher. Hydration also plays a key role. Dry cabin air can dull the senses, making even decent meals feel underwhelming. Drinking enough water can noticeably improve the overall experience. Number 6. Hidden fees that add up fast. The ticket price seen during booking is often just the starting point. Airlines generate a significant portion of revenue through additional fees that many travelers overlook. Charges for checked baggage, seat selection, priority boarding, and even carry-on luggage can quickly increase the total cost. Budget airlines especially rely on these add-ons to keep base fares low while earning through extras. Another hidden cost comes from currency conversion fees when booking internationally or using certain credit cards. Being aware of these charges and reviewing the final price breakdown carefully can prevent unexpected expenses. Smart travelers always compare the full cost rather than just the headline fare, ensuring there are no surprises at checkout or at the airport. Number 5. Overbooking is more common than you think. Airlines regularly sell more tickets than there are seats on a plane. This is called overbooking, and it is done intentionally because airlines know that some passengers will not show up. when everyone does show up, the airline faces a problem. That is when passengers may be asked to give up their seats voluntarily in exchange for compensation. In some cases, travelers can receive travel vouchers, cash, hotel stays, and even meals. Passengers who know this secret can actually benefit from it. Flexible travelers who are not in a rush can volunteer and negotiate better compensation. However, if no one volunteers, airlines may deny boarding to some passengers based on fare class and check-in time. Arriving early and checking in as soon as possible reduces the risk of being bumped from a flight. Number 4. Cabin air is drier than a desert. Airplane cabins are known for extremely low humidity levels, often even lower than deserts. This dry air can cause dehydration, fatigue, dry skin, and headaches during long flights. The reason behind this is the high-altitude environment and the way cabin air is circulated and filtered. While modern aircraft use advanced filtration systems, moisture levels remain very low. Drinking water regularly throughout the flight is one of the simplest ways to stay comfortable. Avoiding excessive caffeine and alcohol can also help maintain hydration. Even something as simple as using moisturizer or lip balm can make a noticeable difference during longer journeys. Number 3. Your boarding group matters more than you think. Boarding groups are not just about organization. They can directly impact your travel experience. Passengers who board earlier have a higher chance of finding space for carry-on luggage and settling in without stress. Later boarding groups often struggle with limited overhead space, leading to bags being checked at the last minute. This can delay exit times and increase the risk of lost luggage. Airlines assign boarding groups based on ticket class, loyalty status, and sometimes check-in timing. Even without premium status, early check-in can improve boarding position in many cases. Understanding how boarding works can help avoid unnecessary stress before the flight even begins. Number 2. Pilots and crew know more than they say. Pilots and cabin crew are highly trained professionals, but not everything is shared with passengers during a flight. Communication is often simplified to avoid panic or confusion. For example, turbulence may be described as mild even when it feels intense. Technical issues may also be communicated in general terms rather than detailed explanations. This does not mean something is wrong. It is part of maintaining calm and ensuring a smooth passenger experience. Aviation safety standards are extremely strict, and most situations are handled long before they become serious. Understanding this helps passengers stay calm and trust the process even during unexpected situations. Number 1. The safest time to fly might surprise you. Many travelers feel nervous about flying, especially during turbulence or bad weather. However, statistics consistently show that flying is one of the safest modes of transportation. One interesting insight is that early morning flights are often considered safer and more reliable. Weather conditions are typically calmer, air traffic is lighter, and delays are less likely to cascade from earlier flights. Aircraft also undergo regular maintenance checks, and safety procedures are followed with extreme precision. Every detail, from pilot training to engineering standards, is designed to minimize risk. Understanding these facts can completely change how flying is perceived, turning anxiety into confidence. Flying is more than just getting from one place to another. It is a system filled with hidden strategies, smart tricks, and little-known truths that can transform the entire experience. Now that these flight secrets you should know before your next trip are clear, the next journey can be smarter, smoother, and far more enjoyable. Make sure to like this video, share it with others who love traveling, and subscribe to the channel for more insights that most people never discover.